Oh, the stomach is exposed. Roll up your shirt. Roll up your shirt. Roll up your shirt. Your tummy, man. Your tummy. Can't you feel the draft? Your tummy, man. How do you rip the shirt? You rip the shirt? Roll down your shirt, man. I'm pretty sure you can feel it. Because it's cold in the air, right? Set it up, burn it with the shot. Ooh. Nice kick. No. Don't give it to Yuchi. Oh, he took a shot. Here comes San Jose. Oh.
Good try, buddy. You alright? Yeah.
Set it up. Don't give it to Furman. You roll this shirt down? Or roll the shirt down. I fell down on that shit. Not doing very well. Gotta stop some good. I'm gonna go out. Plant my feet. Let's see. Oh, here it comes. Oilers. Ooh, full line change. Here we go. Goalie's out of position. Whoa. Give me a look. Cross to Brian. Ooh. Coming up. Hold your feet. Hold your feet. Alright. Yep. I think something's loose in this skate. Go, go, go! Is that end to end? Come on. Offside. That's clearly offside. He skated from there all the way to there. All the way end to end. You kidding me? He's gonna have like one blade. Tick-tocking all the way. You can hear him coming. It's like Santa Sleeper. Oh, don't lose it. Hold your feet, hold your feet, hold your feet. End to end again. Come on in, come on in. End to end on the other side. That was a lot of skating. Still keeps it in. Ooh. Oh, there you go. Hold your feet. Hold your feet. Oh, nice team. Don't lose it. Oh, where are you passing it to? Where is that? Go, Red, go. Chase him down, chase him down. Oh, my head totally does tilt. Here we go. Men in front, men in front. Two guys on it. Here we go. Oh! Hold your feet. I'm holding my feet. I'm holding my feet. Oh, Brian. Two defensemen. Oh, nobody wanted the puck. Nobody wanted to touch. Typical pickup hockey. Here we go. One trick play. He would have beat me too. He would have beat me. Oh. Oh, good shot. Come on, Gene. Sniper, looking at the red, look at red, look at red. Ooh. Look how high he pulls that goalie stick. Face plants into the glass. Come on, 10. Rough it up. That's it, man. Hand-eye. This guy is like 7 years old, man. Still plays amazing. Go, Gene, take the shot. You got it, you got it. Take the shot. Ooh. Almost. Go, Gene, take the shot, take the shot, take the shot. Oh, we did not want to take the shot. Set up for blue, set up for blue. Take the shot, take the shot. Oh. Set up for blue, set up for blue. Well, damn. That's a long straight shot. I'm not playing very well. Challenging the shots. Here we go, old school, loses the puck. White, looking to finally break out. They've been warming up, playing possum. This is it. This is their moment. 7 minutes to play. Whoa, what a save. I think we only scored 6 goals, I don't know. You gotta score 3 on this shift. Here we go, man. See the ice is too soft. Break a little. Oh, still looking. Eugene's got nothing. Eugene's got nothing. Look at the ring. Eugene's got nothing. Who's he looking at? Got nothing. Furman, take the shot. Takes like 5 steamboats before he shoots it. Come on, old school. Pick it up. Oh. 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 Here we go. Hold your position. He broke his ankle. He broke his ankle. Eugene's got nothing. Take the shot. Take the shot. Shot. Shoot it. Shoot it. Oh. Nice, Ringer. Eddie Haskell on the move. Hold your position. Ooh, that was cool. Here we go. Oh.
Got it. Oh, nice.
Right in the bread box. Right in the tuxedo. Right in the cummerbund. He usually snipes it in the corner. Where are you going, Furman? Who are you passing it to? Wayne. Got like 0 shots in the net. Uh-oh. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Oh. White, looking to break up. Take a look, Furman. Furman never gives it away. Never gives it away. Look. See? He never gets away. How did he do that? Can't score a goal, but always makes a pass. Oh man. Ringer stripped. Woo! Yu-Ching got nothing. Shoot it from him. Oh. But he knows he doesn't have 5 steamboats for speed. He doesn't even tee up, more like wrist up. He has a breakaway firm in. That hurt. That one hurt a lot. Wayne, listen. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Oh, Eddie, block it for me. He got that puck before you did. That's your side. Ooh. Here we go. Oh, what a move. Oh, that should have went in. That should have went in. Totally wrong angle. Break out. Oh, stopped by the ringer. Look at that forecheck. Relentless. Truculent. Brian again. Poking in. Come on! What are you giving the puck away for? One trick Colorado. Oh, Eddie falls down. Eddie falls down holding the guy's stick. Uh-oh. Is that a clearing attack? Ooh, nice shot. All these shots going through. Seeing ice. Uh-oh. Hold your... Woo! Hold your steps. Uh-oh. Who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants it? Oh, gotta pass faster, guys. Come on, Red.
Oh, he just got it.
I was like tying up my shoelace. I hate my pads, man. They just come loose. Don't lose it. Ooh, hold your position. Oh. Triangle offense. Stop. Right, looking to set up. Can they make a pass? What are you doing, man? Passing the other team. Red redeems ourselves. Go, Red. Okay, here we go. Hold the position. Hold the position. Oh, come on, Red. Red pushes him outside. Way to go. We got it. Extra time, extra time. We got like 10 minutes of extra time. See, why can't I make a pass today? Can't make a pass. Why charge the battery? Why charge the battery? Just play on the other side.